Let's take a pan, add 1 cup of water to it and let it boil. To this water, add 2 tablespoons of oil. After this, add required amount of salt. Mix it well. When the water starts boiling, gradually add rice flour. I have taken 1 cup of rice flour. After adding rice flour, mix it well for 2 minutes. It will become like this. Now close it for 5 minutes and let it cook. No need to add more water or oil. Now just close it with a lid. After 2 minutes, let's open the lid. Let's take a mixing bowl and add the cooked dough and mix it well. Knead the dough to a soft consistency. Apply some oil to it. Now let's make the dough to 2 halves. Now let's make this to small balls. Now I have divided the dough to small balls like this. I will show you how to make divshi now. Take a ball and roll it to a cylindrical shape. Now touch water and use your thumb finger and press inside gently and make it like a modak. It tastes very good. Layer of this divshi should be thin, and also the shape of this divshi should be like a cone. You can close this opening like this. It's optional. If you want, you can leave it as it is. If you close this, the filling won't come outside. In similar way, we are going to make other divshi also. I will show you after I have made all the divshi. Now let's take a steaming plate. Add 1 teaspoon of oil to it. Rub it on all corners of the plate and keep the divshi we have prepared. We have to steam this divshi for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now I have kept idli cooker. Add 2 inches of water to it and let it boil. Now let's keep the divshi. Steam this divshi for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'll show you when it's cooked. After 10 minutes, we have opened our divshi. It has steamed well, perfectly cooked now. See, our divshi has come out well. For making the filling, take a pan, add little oil to it. Let the oil heat. After that, add 1 cup of chopped onion. Along with that, I am going to add spring onion. Let this both fry for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, let's add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Fry them well. At this time, let's add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon Bihari masala, and required amount of salt. Now let's mix this well. Raw smell of onions and tomatoes should be gone. Now you can see that the oil got separated. Now let's add egg to this masala. I have taken 3 eggs. You can add egg to this masala. It is optional. If you are a vegetarian, you can add potatoes and peas. It would be good even with potatoes. Now let's mix the egg with the masala. Now our filling is ready. At this time, put chopped coriander leaves on top of this filling and turn off the stove. Now let's fill it with the stuff we have made. Take out a dilshi. Now put the stuff we have prepared. Our dilshi is ready. Similarly, do it with other dilshis. I'll do and show you. Now our dilshi is ready. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment in the comment section below. Thank you.